Penned the words to this song as he remembered his personal experience at sea. One night, a terrible storm battered his vessel severely. Experiencing tremendous fear and thinking he was going to die, he cried out to God for mercy. That moment marked the beginning of John Newton's spiritual conversion. Even after 2 centuries, Amazing Grace continues to touch hearts every time we hear those familiar lyrics. Sing it with us now. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. And once I was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now I see. Sing it with me, choir. 'Twas grace that caused my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious a gift that grace appeared the hour I heard believe. Oh, sing it again. The rude man, sing it with all of your heart. Oh, yeah. About God's amazing grace, and when we